Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AVXL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the monster movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume even before the final 30 minutes. So even if, we excluded the last 30 minutes of the day, that was still good, solid above average volume. But then you factor in the final 30 minutes of the day and the volume just came surging that much more. So a whole lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. If you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $2.80. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $2.80, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above that level, that would definitely be a great sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the former breakout area, former resistance, and that sits down there at, that makes it easy, 270. So 280, 270, two of the nearer term levels. In fact, you'd probably call that a support zone if you wanted to. But taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, preferably staying above 280 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Nothing fancy or complicated here when it comes to areas of resistance other than the fact of where the party finally stopped today, and that sits right up there. I'm going to just call it $3.30. So 330 will be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, any way I look at it, monster movement today, monster volume. Not just a question of can the price continue to build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.